Good morning to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi. Ungowekhetelo. Yo. I meant to do this video last night, but then um, I was distracted. It was very funny. But anyway, so let's talk, guys. I want all the spiritually gifted people or spiritually called people to come closely. Asixoxeni. I need to. We all know that in spirituality, there's the good, the bad, and the ugly. I need to say ke ezintweni zikamoya or emoyeni esiphiweni sikamoya. There's always the good, the bad, and the ugly. So today ngifuna ukuthatha on the ugly that we don't speak about kakhulu. Years ago, I made a video about chronic illnesses, nabantu aba spiritually gifted, the connection between the two. And then somebody had asked me ukuthi ngikhulume about ulcers, hormone imbalance, abdominal pain, neclaustrophobia, kubantu aba spiritually gifted, which I'll touch on it. Maybe I'll make a video about it and touch deep on it or touch kakhulu on it. Yeah. So today I just want to generally speak about the ugly, right? So the good will be you seeing, yabona once uqala. So some people some people will experience the ugly awakening stage. Abanye abantu, they experience the ugly with the bad awakening stage. Because asikho awakened spiritually ngokufana, ijeni ayiqali ngokufana. We're different in so many ways. So uthola ukuthi wena, the things that I'm going to mention on the ugly, you experienced them mawuqala ijeni. You understand? So it's different with everybody else. So now the good will be when ubona izinto zabantu, ukwazi ukutshela abantu iy'ndaba zabo, ukuthi yazi amaphupho, like yabona, you can tell amaphupho, you can that's the good part of it, where you see things, you come to terms, you're awakening. Basically, you come to terms with who you are. You start realizing you're gifted. So that's the good of it. And then the bad would be, angithi ku-good ubona iy'ndaba zabantu. The bad would be le y'ndaba zabantu mase zikugulisa, maso uqala ugula, maso the challenges, the storms that you go through. That's the bad. And then you having now to stop everything, gumimpilo yako, just to help people, or gumimpilo yako because you're not acknowledging the gift. You understand? So that goes into the bad. But then there's the ugly, and the ugly we don't usually speak about. The ugly ile part where now, have you noticed ukuthi the more you use your spiritual side, the more you use ihlo likamoya, the weaker your physical side gets. The more weak, the more your physical side is weak. Once wasebenzisa ihlo likamoya kakhulu, once wasebenzisa your spiritual side kakhulu, believe me, your eyesight is bad, gets bad. Angazi, your physical kuba ya like uthola umuntu athi yazini kahle kahle angisaboni. And now, hence I said it goes vice versa with all of us. Kukhona abantu who, when they start awakening, they are blind. Ukuthi baze bangene baqala ijeni and acknowledge their gift and everything, umuntu usuka ngasaboni. So in that case, uthola ukuthi abantu abadala, what they're doing is they want you to be more powerful or strong kuma sensors wakho, because as I said, once you use a spiritual side kakhulu, you must know that you're using for physically now, for your physical side, you get to be in tune to your senses even more, and you get use ama-sensors wakho, you use the clairs kakhulu. Do you understand? I did speak about the 4 clairs of psychic, where you use your hearing, you use your clairaudience, the 4 man, clear sentiments. What's the other ones? Forgot about the other ones. But you tend to use the 4 so much. So you use your senses so much because you don't rely on your physical sight kakhulu. Right? So abanye abantu uthola ukuthi ungena ku-awakening angasaboni. Because now you have to be in tune to your senses. You have to understand your senses, understand vibrations and energy more. You understand? Bese kuba khona this thing, also one of the uglies. You become somehow sound. I think abanye abantu iyenzeka ku-awakening is sound sensitive. You become sound sensitive. I mean, you can hear almost everything. It's like you can even hear ama-thoughts wabantu. You become so sound sensitive that like ne-sound encane abantu abangayiwe uyayizwa. And now if you've already passed your awakening stage, sound sensitivity, you get it kakhulu ma in tune. There are people, guys, abane problem ye hearing. There are people abane problem you guba this sort of like siren sounds emahlebeni, and you're not in tune to. That is why you're getting that sound over and above. Because if guguti unabalozi and the necessary requirements have not been done to acknowledge labo balozi, you're going to have problems with your hearing. You're going to have problems neindlebe. You're going to get sort of like eardrum problems. You're going to, because you're not in tune to what is supposed to be happening, the messages that you're supposed to get. It's like a radio manyeko station properly. So you get sound sensitive. And then kube nale ugly number 3, where the short memory. Like the short memory is crazy, guys. Angazi ukuthi siphila kuma dimensions in most cases. So in different dimensions. So like mani kunezinto, and you know what I like about abantu abadala is that they seem to like there are chapters of your life that they would erase. Like you don't remember until maybe kwenzeka something, like, hi man. So they erase, especially guys, once you've found your inner peace. Let me tell you what happens. There's certain chapters of your life that ziba ngathi ziyadilitheka. You understand? Yes, it's there, but once they've given you that inner peace, kunezinto that are taken away, and it's a pity because we don't understand how important it is to journey into inner peace. It's very important to journey into understanding and fighting for your peace, because you need to be peaceful in most cases. Abantu abadala bazwani nomuntu oyisiphithiphithi ngokomoya, like umuntu oyisiphithiphithi who's everywhere, who is triggered by a lot of emotions. That is why some people end up getting into depression. But then it's a topic for another day. So now, the short memory, guys, like sometimes I even question, did I even talk about this thing? You know? And then there's this other one, deja vu. The deja vus are crazy. Like you do something and you'll be like, Mara, this day has happened before. You would do something or you would see something and be like, no man, I've been into this situation. The deja vus are so bad. So so bad that you'll end up wondering, no man, like it is guys, it's even crazier. It's even crazier when you are a reincarnated soul. It's crazier because remember, you've been here before, so a lot of things are familiar, even though you are a soul that maybe your body departed this earth so mdala, and then you reincarnate into a child. Some things are familiar and you like, hi man. And even the reasoning. So with the reincarnated soul, it's even more crazier, guys. A lot of people are reincarnates and askisi because they don't really understand that they are reincarnates, and umunye uthole ukuthi uyi-spiritual twin but does not understand how. Own a spiritual twin but does not understand how. It's a topic. I've made a video about that and explained the difference between the two. But it's so crazy that I'm at deja vus, guys. Like, wow. Like, there was a day where I was like, Yabana, this thing, I'm doing it for the third time now. This day, the way I'm standing, how I'm dressed, how I'm responding, it's now 3 times. Before this thing. So it's because we are in different dimensions, trends-wise, without knowing. We travel without knowing that we have traveled over dimensions. It is so crazy. I don't even want to go into the itching of the hand. I don't even want to go to the itching of the hands or the fingers or the sort of like, it's sort of like what do they call it? Tickling. Ulunywe iminwe. It's crazy. Ulunywe iminwe, you like yane. So those are the uglies, guys, and the uglies that we don't speak about. So guys, if you do experience these things, there's nothing wrong with you. Believe me, there is so nothing wrong with you. Okay, also the bed would be the waking up. The waking up at night. It's like, Tina, we are given only 2 to 4 hours of sleep. Like that's on the bedside. Like, yeah, I know, because you do need sleep, and that is why you get drained. The draining part, or there are times where I get drained just by listening to some indaba when I get, so I don't watch news because I get so drained. The ugly again also with being drained is you sort of like get sensitive to TV or phone. For some reason, at some point when I look at the phone for a certain period of time, you get nauseous. And maybe it's me, maybe it's my journey. Because remember, the more you grow into spirituality, the more things happen. So maybe it's me, where you get nauseous, where you get like you end up not understanding. Some will say like, Koko, masengi bugele kakhulu TV or phone, I actually feel like vomiting. Iba dizzy. That's the uglies that you get as a spiritually gifted child. There's nothing wrong with you. Health-wise, there's nothing wrong with you mentally. It's just that those are the uglies that we experience. And I think because in most cases we deal with energy, we deal with vibrations, we deal with the elements of nature, and nature changes in a day. Nature changes a lot of times. We deal with the moon, we deal with the sun, we deal with the stars. Do you understand? So it makes it difficult, guys. But I do want to say, if you feel in crowds, you start feeling drained, or in rooms you feel claustrophobic, guys, it's understandable. It's something that you and it happens a lot kubantwana besithunywa, the claustrophobia. It happens a lot kubantwana banesithunywa, and I'll get isikhathi and do a video and explain why. But alright mtase, there's nothing wrong with you. Thank you.